Acid-base interpretation. Rule of the bees. Bicarb, both embolic. If the pH and the bicarb are both in the same direction, whether it is up or down, it's metabolic. If it's in different direction, it's considered respiratory and is for normal. Normal pH is 7.35 to 7.45. Bicarbonate is 22 to 26. For the bicarbonate, remember that 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. For example, we have pH 7.30 and bicarbonate is 20. pH is below normal, so it is acidosis. Bicarb is below normal, so it is metabolic. And they are in the same direction, so considered metabolic acidosis. Remember the letter D in the word acidosis. D is for decrease or down pH. Another example is pH is 7.58 and bicarb is 32. pH of 7.58 is up or alkalosis. Bicarbonate is also above normal, and they are both in the same direction, which is considered metabolic alkalosis. Another example is pH of 7.22 and bicarb 30. pH 7.22 down, acidosis. Bicarb of 30 is up, respiratory. Respiratory acidosis because they are in different or opposite direction. Another example, we have pH 50, bicarb 25. pH is up, it means alkalosis. The bicarb is in normal range, but still they are in opposite direction, so it is respiratory alkalosis. Add letter P on the letter of the word alkalosis. It sounds like up or high pH.